Discover the enchantment of Paris. Top must-see attractions. Ascend the Eiffel Tower, Paris's iron symbol, and be captivated by panoramic views that stretch into the horizon. This architectural wonder offers a unique perspective on the City of Lights, making every visit a breathtaking experience of sky and structure. Step into the Louvre Museum, a treasure trove of art history housing masterpieces like the Mona Lisa and Venus de Milo. Its vast corridors whisper stories of the past, inviting visitors to lose themselves in a world-class cultural journey. A walk along the Champs-Élysées is quintessentially Parisian. This famous avenue, lined with trees and luxury boutiques, leads to the majestic Arc de Triomphe. The monument's rich history and impressive sculptures make it a focal point of national pride. Notre Dame Cathedral stands as a testament to Gothic grandeur, with its soaring spires and intricate facades. Despite recent damages, it remains a beacon of resilience, drawing admirers eager to witness its restoration and enduring beauty. The Luxembourg Gardens provide a serene escape in the heart of Paris. This elegant park, adorned with statues and fountains, is the perfect spot for an afternoon stroll or a leisurely picnic under the shade of its heritage trees. Perched on the hill of Montmartre, the Sacré-Cœur Basilica offers more than just spiritual solace. This neighborhood, known for its bohemian past, is a haven for artists and provides panoramic views of Paris, making it a must-visit for lovers of art and history. Descending beneath the city streets, the catacombs of Paris present a chilling yet fascinating journey. Here, the remains of millions are artfully arranged along the tunnels, offering a unique perspective on the city's history and a stark contrast to its romantic exterior. A cruise on the River Seine offers a serene escape from the bustling city streets. As you glide under historic bridges and past iconic landmarks, the perspective from the water provides a tranquil yet captivating experience of Paris's architectural beauty. The Centre Pompidou stands as a modernist marvel in the heart of Paris, with its inside-out aesthetic. It houses a vast collection of modern art that pushes boundaries and sparks discussion, making it a pivotal spot for art enthusiasts. Le Marais entices visitors with its trendy boutiques and vintage shops, offering a blend of old-world charm and contemporary fashion. This historic district is not just about shopping, it's a cultural experience, with its cobblestone streets and vibrant atmosphere. Step into the grandeur of the Palace of Versailles, where the opulence of French royalty unfolds before your eyes. The majestic halls and the intricate landscaped gardens capture the essence of French artistry and power during the reign of Louis XIV. At the Cité des Sciences et de l'Industrie, ignite your curiosity about the world around us. This science museum, one of the largest in Europe, offers interactive exhibits on science and technology, making learning an adventure for visitors of all ages. The Tuileries Garden, with its meticulously manicured lawns and classical statues, offers a peaceful retreat in the heart of Paris. Designed by André Lenotre, it's a perfect example of French formal garden style, inviting visitors to relax and rejuvenate amidst its beauty. Sainte-Chapelle stands as a Gothic treasure on the Isle de la Cité. Renowned for its breathtaking stained glass windows that tell biblical stories, this chapel offers a mesmerizing experience, illuminating the artistic and spiritual heritage of medieval Paris. Wander through the historic Latin Quarter, where intellectual life and bohemian culture blend seamlessly. Visit the Pantheon, resting place of France's illustrious men and women, and absorb the vibrant atmosphere of this district, steeped in history and academia. Experience the electric atmosphere of the Bastille district, where the spirit of the French Revolution still lingers. It's a hub for lively bars and clubs, making it the perfect destination for those looking to dive into Paris's vibrant nightlife scene. Les Invalides is not just a monument, but a profound journey through French military history. Here, you can explore the Army Museum and pay respects at Napoleon's tomb, housed under the golden dome that lights up the Parisian skyline. The Foundation Louis Vuitton is a masterpiece of modern architectural design created by Franck Gehry. Located in the Bois de Boulogne, it hosts an impressive collection of contemporary art and frequently changes exhibitions, making each visit unique. Attending a performance at the Opéra Garnier is a step back into an era of opulence, From the grand marble staircase to the magnificent ceiling painted by Marc Chagall, the interior is as breathtaking as the performances. The Musée d'Orsay is a treasure trove for art lovers, particularly those fond of Impressionist and Post-Impressionist works. Housed in a stunning Beaux-Arts railway station, the museum showcases masterpieces by artists such as Monet, Van Gogh, and Renoir. Tucked away in the Jardin des Tuileries, the Musée de l'Orangerie is a delightful gem for art enthusiasts. It is renowned for housing Claude Monet's Water Lilies series, which gracefully envelops visitors in its panoramic aquatic landscapes, offering a soothing, immersive experience. After immersing yourself in art, indulge in the quintessential Parisian culinary scene at a traditional bistro. These charming establishments serve up gourmet French cuisine, featuring classics like coq au vin and escargot, paired beautifully with a selection of fine French wines, creating a truly authentic dining experience.